Yes, you read it right. We get another look at the camera lenses of Galaxy S23 Ultra, and these are a bit different that we were expecting from the S23 Ultra, and also Samsung is going big in night photography as confirmed by Ice Universe. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. As per Ice Universe, he shared another closer look of the Galaxy S23 Ultra camera lens, and according to him, the S23 Ultra camera lens will be slightly wider than expected. As we all know from previous real look of Galaxy S23 Ultra, the camera lens of Galaxy S23 Ultra will be bigger, and now by adding this, it is also a bit wider than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Taking this as the new 200MP camera sensor is coming on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. By adding this along with the wider sensor, Samsung is doing something different with the laser autofocus on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. As per Ice Universe, first it was red on S22 Ultra, but now it turned out to be black on S23 Ultra. Looks like something new coming in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, did you like the camera design of Galaxy S23 Ultra? By adding this new and bigger lenses, Samsung is also going big with the night photography. As per Ice Universe, Galaxy S23 Ultra night camera is really a night vision, meaning Samsung take this to another level. So if you like taking night shots, Galaxy S23 Ultra will be a perfect fit for you. Also, with the new firmware update on S23 Ultra, it also helped S23 Ultra to take better photos and improve the low light imaging. If you guys don't know, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with new camera features which was not available on S22 Ultra. There will be 3 shooting modes, 200MP, 50MP and 12MP, where 50MP was not available in the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Also, with the new 200MP camera, S23 Ultra is capable of recording 8K video at 30fps, and according to some reports, we are also going to get a new portrait video option in the S23 Ultra. With that, now you can actually record at 2.8K or 4K cinematic video on S23 Ultra. Not only that, we might get a sensor shift stabilization in the S23 Ultra, which is amazing. For those who want to skip S23 Ultra and will wait for S24 Ultra, then I have a good news for you guys. As per Ice Universe, Galaxy S24 Ultra will going to come with new telephoto sensor. Main sensor will remain the same or slightly different, but we are going to see a big update in the telephoto sensor of S24 Ultra. Samsung plan to launch Galaxy S23 Ultra on the 1st of Feb, and phones will hit the market after a week or so with the great pre-order deals. If you guys want to see the real camera sample of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.